It feels like companies slap the word AI on everything just to make it sound expensive. But here's the problem. Saying we use an AI-powered machine learning system is like saying I drive a vehicle-powered car. It's redundant and honestly, it makes you sound like you don't know what you're talking about. Let's fix that. Here is the actual hierarchy of AI in under 2 minutes. Think of AI like Russian nesting dolls. The biggest doll is artificial intelligence. It's just the umbrella term for anything that mimics human smarts. Inside that, we have machine learning, ML. This is a system that learns from data instead of strict rules. If it gets better the more you use it, it's likely ML. And inside ML, we have deep learning. These are neural networks, brain-inspired structures that are great at recognizing faces or voices. But what about ChatGPT? Where does that fit? Okay, dig deeper into that deep learning doll. You'll find something called a transformer. It's a blueprint for understanding how words relate to each other. When you train a transformer on massive amounts of internet text, you get an LLM, a large language model. And here is the secret. An LLM is basically just a very expensive, very smart autocomplete. It predicts the next word. It doesn't know facts, it guesses what comes next. Finally, stop calling every chatbot a GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of technology like a combustion engine. ChatGPT is the product name, like a Ford Mustang. So saying I asked the GPT is like pointing at a Pepsi and saying I'm drinking a cola liquid. Technically true, but weird. So quick recap, AI is the umbrella. Machine learning is the method. LLMs are the engine. And ChatGPT is just the app you're using. Now you can go correct your friends at parties. Actually, maybe don't do that. But at least now you know.